Hello, my dear students. Today we shall talk about the different types of cells. We can compare the different types of cells because we have completed the nucleus role of DNA in division of the cells. Now we can compare the different types of cells. Uh, First, plant cell. It can be compared with the animal cell, and then these are both the eukaryotic cells. These eukaryotic cells can be compared with the bacterial cell, or you can say prokaryotic cell. What is the difference between them, and what are the similar characters? First, we will take the plant cell. Plant cell, the outermost covering is the cell wall, and then it is the inner covering. It is cell membrane, or you can say plasma membrane, which you have already studied about. This cytoplasm, that means the content is inside the cell membrane. These are in the cytoplasm, that means the region in which these all materials are present, that is cytoplasm. And 70% of the cytoplasm in case of plant cells is occupied by a vacuole, large central vacuole in case of plant cells. And this vacuole is having the outer covering that is known as tonoplast. What? Tonoplast. Tonoplast. And probably mind it, 70% of the plant cell's cytoplasm is occupied by this vacuole, large central vacuole. Now, nucleus is shifted towards one side of the cell, that is towards periphery, because the maximum portion of the cytoplasm is occupied by central vacuole. That is why I made nucleus here. It is the nucleus. Along with the nucleus, there is endoplasmic reticulum, a rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Then there is mitochondria, and then there are another important characteristic feature, that is chloroplast. Chloroplast is there. Lysosomes are there, ribosomes are there, and similar is the case with the animal cells. Animal cell having the outermost covering, that is known as cell membrane. Both these plant cell and animal cell have a similar structure, that means cell membrane. Cell wall is not present on the animal cell. That means the first difference between plant and animal cell is that cell wall is not present in animal cells. Cell membrane is present in both. Then mitochondria, the ultra structure of mitochondria is like this, mitochondria, and then the nucleus, nuclear membrane. I already told you that nuclear membrane is double layered, and I made it nucleus here. Nuclear membrane, the structure of nucleus is same in both plant and animal cells. Then endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, on one side it is attached to the nuclear membrane, and on the other side it is attached to the cell membrane, both in case of plant and animal cells. This endoplasmic reticulum can be rough, having these dot-like structures, ribosomes attached to it, or it can be free like these. This is rough endoplasmic reticulum, it is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Then there are lysosomes. Lysosomes are both present in plants and animals. Then it is food vacuole, it may be present in this also. Lysosomes may also be present in this. Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus, it is also present in plant cells as well as in animal cells. Then centriole or centrosome, it is present only in animal cells, not in plant cells, mind it. The comparison between plant and animal cells, it is that you can make some 2 or 3 pointers which differentiate between plant and animal cells. Cell wall is present in plant cells, large central vacuole is present, plastids are present, or you can say chloroplasts are present, centrioles are absent, and it is the difference between plant and animal cells. You can make them on your notebook, these types of structures, plant cell as well as animal cell, and we can see the different compartments present in the cytoplasm in case of these types of cells. These are known as eukaryotic cells, the well differentiated cells, or you can say well developed cells. If we compare these eukaryotic cells with the prokaryotic cell, that is the bacterial cell. The bacterial cell, or you can say eukaryotic cell, is a very simple cell having cell wall. That means bacteria is also having cell wall. That cell wall is bacterial cell wall, or bacterial cell wall, you can say. Then after bacterial cell wall, there is plasma membrane, or you can say cell membrane also. Cell membrane, here it is cell membrane, cell membrane, cell membrane. Then there is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm Cyto in cytoplasm there is and there is this type of DNA, that means the circular DNA, and the region where the DNA is directly present in the site, there is no covering on this DNA, and that region where this DNA is concentrated in the cytoplasm, that is known as nucleoid. There is no nuclear membrane or no any covering present on the DNA. Then there are food vacuoles also. Ribosomes are also present there. Then mesosomes are present there, because these mesosomes, they perform different types of functions, formation of these lipids or something else which is required by the cell. These mesosomes. Another important hair-like structures are present on the cell wall, that is cilia. These are small hair-like structures which enable the bacteria to move. And another long whip-like structures, these are known as flagella. These are the very long. These are very long, present in the groups. They can be present in one group. They can be present throughout the surface. They can be present on both the sides. They can be present on all the sides. These flagella. Flagella also help in the movement of the bacterial cells. And this is the figure, or you can say the prokaryotic cells. That means prokaryotic cells are very simple than the eukaryotic cells, because cytoplasm, the pure prokaryotic cells, is very empty. Because less organelles are present, only ribosomes are present there, some food vacuoles are there, some enzymes, some protein. But in case of eukaryotes, the cytoplasm is embedded with a lot of structures which I showed you here. And this is the comparison between prokaryotes and between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. This was about the comparison of different types of cells. You can note it down on your notebooks and remember the structures present in the cells. Thank you. Have a nice day.